So the weather is about to go from this to this. If you've been looking for pergolas online, but you're not sure which size, shape, or setup would work best for your backyard, Zen Pergolas has simplified the process for you. Let me show you how you can design your own pergola in just a few steps using our custom pergola kit designer. Check this out. Here's how easy it is to design your pergola with this custom pergola kit designer. You start by choosing your shape. Then pick your size using the modular block system. Decide if you want it freestanding or attached. Then select your bracket size. Now, from there you're going to choose your roof style. This is where you can really customize the look and the function of your pergola. You can go with a classic slatted roof for that clean, open-air pergola feel. Add a shade canopy for more coverage. Choose polycarb panels for extra protection from the elements, or keep it open with no roof at all. Now, if you choose the slatted roof option, you can also customize the slat style to match the exact look you want, which gives you even more control over the overall design. From there, you can add details like corner supports or privacy walls to bring even more style, shade, and structure to your space. And once you're done, the designer builds out your custom pergola kit and shows you everything you need to move forward. Visit zenpergolas.com and try the custom pergola kit designer today.